So NPR is the number of permutations of n objects taken R at a time. By the fundamental principle of counting, we can write NPR as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. into n minus r plus 1. This is the actual formula of NPR. NPR is equal to n into, start with n, write the next term nearer to n which is lower than n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. till which number? N minus r plus 1. But this formula is very hard to remember. No, it's not so easy. So we are framing another one. So for framing another equation, what we are going to do is we are just going to take an example. Instead of derivation, we will take an example and we will prove. By using this formula, what is 6p2? 6 into n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, 5 into etc. Up to which value I have to take? 6 minus 2 plus 1, isn't it? N minus r plus 1, that is 6 minus 2 plus 1. 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So I have to stop till 5. So 6p2 means 6 into 5. Okay. So instead of this value, what I am going to do is 6 into 5 into, I am going to multiply the numerator with 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. The same thing I have to do in the denominator also, isn't it? Then only the term 6 into 3, 5 will remain balanced. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 get cancelled actually, and we are getting the value 6 into 5. So to balance the term 6 into 5, we are multiplying 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 to the numerator and denominator. Again, what is this? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. It is actually 6 factorial. So that divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. What is that? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is 4 factorial. So what we can say, 6p2 is equal to 6 factorial by 4 factorial. So can you say what is NPR? NPR will be 6p2. The numerator is 6 factorial. So NPR, the numerator will be n factorial divided by. From where I got 4, I have only 6p2, isn't it? What's the relation connecting 6, 2 and 4? 4 is actually 6 minus 2. Okay, so in general, if NPR is the formula, NPR is the value which we have to find, what will be the denominator? 4 is 6 minus 2 factorial, isn't it? So here it will be n minus r factorial. So by heart the formula, and instead of by hearting this much value, just by heart the formula, NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay, so then can you say what is 6p4? What will be the value? 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial. Again, you can simplify and find the value. Then can you say what is 6p2? 6p2 will be equal to 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial. Isn't it? 6 factorial by 4 factorial, we can simplify 6 factorial as, or we can rewrite 6 factorial as 4 factorial into 5 into 6 divided by 4 factorial. Gets cancelled, giving you 5 into 6. This is the same value which we took at the beginning. 6p2 is equal to 6 into 5. Here also when we applied the formula also we got 6p2 equal to 6 into 5. Okay, so by had the formula NPR, number of permutations of n objects taken R at a time. Permutation stands for arrangement, will be equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial.